Butt Knob Trail, infamous for being extremely steep, rugged. Holy cow. This is brutal. This is Old Butt, and that's Old Butt Knob. We're back on the climb. It's very overgrown. This is a good vantage point here. Pretty cool. Shining rock.
The Shining Rock Wilderness is one of the first protected areas in the National Wilderness Preservation System. Our trailhead is located on the eastern side of the wilderness at Shining Creek. From here, the trek mates up with the Old Butt Knob Trail, one of the steepest climbs in the southeast. Beyond Old Butt Knob is Dog Loser's Knob and eventually Shining Rock. Located in the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina, the Shining Rock Wilderness includes over 18,000 acres, making it the largest wilderness area in the state. It includes 5 mountains that rise above 6,000 feet, including Shining Rock itself at 6,040. The trail to these wilderness peaks traverses some of the most rugged terrain in the region. For those who choose to tackle these rigorous climbs, however, spectacular panoramic views and diverse natural habitats await.
The Shining Rock Wilderness area. We were here just a few weeks ago climbing up Cold Mountain, and now I am on the path of the Old Butt Trail to the peak of Shining Rock. The Old Butt Knob Trail is infamous for being extremely steep, rugged, one of the toughest inclines in the Carolinas. This looks steep and slick because of the recent rain. I feel like I'm walking at night. And just because this is named Old Butt Knob Trail does not make this my signature trail. Straight or right? Right looks steeper. That must be it. I think this old butt is kicking this old butt. Phew, this is steep. Holy crap, the worst part's ahead of me. Whew. Holy cow. Whew. That is beautiful. So about 1.25 miles in the trail, we have this viewpoint. Spectacular with the clouds and the fog and stuff in. This is brutal. That's all I can say. 1.7 miles in, and it looks like I'm past the worst part. Campsite. Thank God, some flat parts. Elevation climbs, you start to see a little difference in the trees, you know, transitioning from leafy hardwoods to your pines and evergreens. Another little rock outcropping. Wow. This is a rock outcropping near Old Butt Knob, which is just inside those trees right there. So this might be your best viewpoint from Old Butt Knob. Beautiful. All right, this is Old Butt, and that's Old Butt Knob right here. We're back on the climb, trying to make it to Dog Loser Knob. It starts to flatten out here, but gets very overgrown. Trying to make it through. A little viewpoint just before Dog Loser's Knob. Seems like we're coming to a summit. I'm gonna head back down. So I really think through here, this little patch here at the top, kind of the peak, that's Dog Loser's Knob. Flatten out for a second and then start heading down just a little bit. If I just look up from the trail, I see a summit over there. Kind of wonder if that's Shining Rock. A few more peaks and stuff off to the left. There's thorns on these. There's also blackberries. Gonna have a little snack. Switchbacks means that last ascent won't be so bad. All of a sudden there's no tree coverage above me. We do not go to the left, we go to the right over here to Shining Rock. Shining Rock campsite. Very nice, nice little clearing here. So when I get here, there's kind of two places to exit this little campsite here, and it's this little one right here. It says goes to the peak. Whoa, that is a narrow trail. Holy cow. This last little stretch to the summit is a tight squeeze. I will tell you that. Venture up here. This is a good vantage point here. You can kind of get an idea. That's the brush that I kind of walk through. Woo! Nice. I love the pine trees here at the top. That is spectacular. Here I am on the top of Shining Rock, 6,000 foot peak. I see no marker whatsoever. But everything else around me seems lower. So up just a little further on the trail is this Shining Rock formation. And I'm wondering now if this might be the true summit. I still don't see a marker up here, but wow, this is fantastic. This is incredible, really incredible. With all this white quartz here at the top to kind of scramble around on. Pretty cool. Shining rock. You are truly up in the clouds here. Look at them moving around. Now, the descent, the head back. Time to get out the poles. Now passed over Old Butt Knob. Oh gosh. It's gonna be slick going down this Old Butt Knob trail, which is a difficult trail coming up. And with the recent rain, it's gonna be an even trickier one going down. Look at this sponge moss. Like I could wash the dishes with that. Here we begin the infamous descent of the Old Butt Knob Trail. This is the beginning of the tough part down. This is treacherous and tough going up. It is just downright scary going down. I'm much happier to see flatter ground from the downhill than I was at the uphill.
Thanks for watching. We hope this gets you excited about getting out and exploring on your own. Click to the right to subscribe. Click to the left for more adventures.